I just inflate it. Look at how large it is. Look at the look at the inside too. You got a lot of sparkles. Every time it moves around, the sparkles move around. So the whole thing entire, it's huge. The tail, from the tail all the way down. Now this is perfect. It has some holding areas here that you can hold on to when you're in the water. So this is fun for kids, adults. Summer, check out the floater. It's a long mermaid tail, so you could be on it. You could show your tail out if you guys can see it. This one took me about maybe 2 or 3 minutes to inflate. I had a pump, so it took less. But if you're gonna do by mouth, it's gonna take you a while. This one has sparkles, if you guys can see that. So any kind of movement or anything, it's gonna show sparkles. Full tail, like design. Beautiful floater for your next pool party or water event. Hope you guys enjoy the video.